Hello and welcome to Herman's RV Holidays. I'm Ads, and this is one of those videos without Herman and without Zoe. I'm here on my own in Stuttgart, working for a customer, giving them some training on some software that my company sells. And so I'm here until Thursday. It's now Monday evening, around 8:15. So let me show you around my room. There is the room, quite a nice looking bed. The room itself is quite narrowed actually. They seem to have forgotten the wardrobe because there's where you hang something there. There's your drawers, just there, and then another hanging place just in there. So that's no wardrobe. The view though is spectacular. Take a look at this. Yeah, it's just the street. There's a high-rise building just over there, which hopefully you can see. But that is it. And just a moment ago, it was snowing. So I'm going to be going out, grabbing something to eat, if I can find anything to eat. I don't actually know which side of the road I'm on at the moment. The hotel is on, so I don't know if I need to go that way, or maybe even that way. Yeah, so I just need to get my bearings. But let's actually, I forgot about the bathroom. Take a look at this. So we have a floating toilet, a mirror there. I'm not in the bathroom at the moment while I'm filming, but there's the shower. It looks quite posh, doesn't it? And a very small area, but very nice looking area for the shaving and things, and brushing your teeth. So everything is very compact. He's backing out of the bathroom. Yeah, it's all right. It's adequate enough. So nothing really to worry about. And of course, I forgot my UK plug to European adapter, so my collection of those is getting bigger. But anyway, I had to pick another one up of those at the airport. I must have about 4 or 5 now. Anyway, let's go and get something to eat. It's not raining right now, it's slightly spitting, so I won't be doing too much video outside. And it is cold, got my gloves on. But the thing is, it's going to be dark every time in each evening, so I don't think I'm going to be doing too much of the touristy kind of thing. And yeah, so I guess it's just, hopefully I'll be able to get some of the restaurants. You know what I'm like, I don't really like filming in restaurants. Find it a bit embarrassing, but let's see how we go. Well, I think I'm in Scholzlos Plaza. Again, I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's quite nice actually. If it was daylight, it'd be even better. Take a look at this. So that looks like a shopping centre, but you can see these. It looks very Romanesque, doesn't it? Very Greek rather. Cinema just there. I mean, we're not too far away from my hotel, so that's a good option if, well, I don't know, actually, I just realised it'd be in German. That just there is what looks like a castle. Oh, and that just flash thing is a, I don't know, a telecom tower possibly, with a light on the top, like a lighthouse. And we have this very tall column, and what looks like some sort of very posh, maybe a museum or parliament building. And that over there looks interesting as well. That's a stag on top of that building, and a statue and a dome. But yeah, again, it's just a shame it's not daylight. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure what that is. It might be a museum actually. There's a coffee place just out here. Obviously it's closed, but yeah, there's not much signage at all, and maps not helping either. Very grand palace looking building. got some. Oh. So this is the castle kind of building. It's a shame it's not lit up. I think it's a museum. So this one has like a spire on it, and so does that's that one there. And there's some art here. So this is like 3 huge cubes. No, 4. 4 huge cubes. It's like they're like dice. They're sparkly as well. So I think I found the entrance. Take a look at this. So I'll read it out. It says, the residence of the Dukes of Württemberg. This building goes back to a 10th century moated castle converted into a Renaissance castle with an arcade court, steps for horsemen, and a Protestant castle church under Duke Christopher, 1553 to 63. It says, welcome. Discover the history of Württemberg, one of the oldest examples of prehistoric art. Splendid medieval altars and treasures of the Kingdom of Württemberg. Shop with souvenirs. I think it's free as well. Unfortunately, 10 AM to 5 PM, I'm not going to be able to go and visit it. But that looks great though. Oh wow, look at that. This is the entrance. That does look cool. It's a shame I can't spend more time here. And during the day. Oh look! I think this is a bit weird. This is like a column, a needle, resting right against this building here. But in the background is this old Gothic, would that be Gothic? Church. Oh, and some older buildings, some German looking buildings. Let's get a closer look. That really does look amazing. And all the buildings around here are quite, well, let's just say they're like German looking, like Alps looking. It's almost as if I could just imagine the snow, especially with this building just here. I don't know what it is, it's just the shape. I just want to like a layer of snow here, like skiing in the Alps. Well, I found I found the place I wanted to go to for my evening meal. It was actually this place. It's a brew house in Kalawur Ik, pronunciations or whatever. It's actually recommended by one of my subscribers, so hopefully it's going to be good. I've got my beer. Of course, this is brewed just here. It's very nice, very pleasant. And what I'm having for dinner is crispy pork, extra large. I hope it ain't too large. With potato dumplings and a dark beer sauce. So I'm quite looking forward to that. So we'll just have a quick spin round with the camera. So that's the bar. The police were in just a moment ago. I don't know what they were there for. Loads of space over there. And loads of space over there. It's a very quaint place. Everything's wood. Very oldie-woldy. And we're about 2 stories up. Right, so what I've ordered is a bit of a challenge from a subscriber, F70100, to check this big boy out. That is a pork knuckle with a couple of potato dumplings. Oh, and a cherry tomato full of vegetation. It's massive. I didn't actually realise that's what I'd ordered, but I kind of looking at the British menu and looking at the German menu, I kind of worked that out. But anyway, F70100, challenge accepted. I just hope I've got enough beer. So that's the skin just there, and I can't break that. So that's a bit of crackling. Look at this though. Oh. I think that cherry tomato is going to be the last thing we eat. Well, there you go. I've demolished it. This the skin I couldn't actually get my knife into, and that looks like a cherry tomato just there. My other beers just arrived. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious. Right, I'm going to finish these off, and I'm going to get back to my hotel. It doesn't look like it's snowing, so which is a good thing. Is that done, that challenge? F70 100? I think so. Anyway, until tomorrow. So it is now Tuesday. I've just finished my training, given my training to the guys there, and I had a very tiring day actually. So concentration all the time. Now I'm going out to dinner. It's about 7 o'clock. No, it is 7 o'clock. And I'm going out with one of the guys from there because he's from the same company as I am, and he's staying in the same hotel. So I guess we're going to go out and find some place to eat and enjoy a pint or two. Oh, that's better. That is, oh, that's warming the cockles now. Just come back from dinner. We went to a place called Carl's Brewhouse. Very busy there. Nice beers. Oh God, it's chilly. So cold outside. It's like snowing out there from like beasts from the east, north, west, and the south out there. Oh my goodness, that is warming the cockles though. Yeah, we had, you know what, I've forgotten what it was called, but it was very nice. It was about that big. It was described, I could say it was like a pizza cut into squares. It was made from a thin crust phyllo pastry covered with a cream cheese, sour cream, onions and some little bacon bits. It was very, very pleasant. I had a couple of beers as well from the brew house. Oh. But yeah, it was a very nice evening, and now it's about 9 o'clock and I'm going to settle down and just enjoy and relax in the room. Probably another subscriber. Oh. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow on my second day of training. By the way, it's not snowing outside, it's just and this is not a real fire, in case you didn't realise that. It's now Wednesday evening, 6:10. So yes, I've just come back from work, given the training course. It's going really well, I think. And then now, in a few minutes' time, I'm going to be leaving for a meal. We're all going out together. We're going to the place that we went to yesterday. So I didn't realise that we was at the same place, but it doesn't matter. It was a very nice place. Good beer, good food, so that's all good. Good morning. It is Thursday the 31st of January. This is my last day. It's in Stuttgart doing my training, and as you can see, these are the first words I've spoken today, and I'm a bit croaky. Last night I had a meal at the same place I went to the night before, and that was Carl's Brewhouse. A very nice place, very busy, great food. I actually had a veal schnitzel, very nice. I've not had schnitzel for a while, so that was very good. But I had to stop drinking after they got the start getting the shots out, the schnapps shots,
and the B-52s, I just thought, well, that's it. These guys have got to be training in the morning. So I kind of just stopped drinking and just started drinking the water. And as you can see, I'm starting to pack away and getting ready. Got one more day there, and then I'm going to be catching my flight back to Old Blighty. It's caught my eye in their magazine. Never seen this before. One design, travel romance in Glasgow. Glasgow famous for many things, but not maybe romance. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Looks nice though, the picture looks very nice. I wouldn't mind going to that hotel. So, I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video. If it is the end of the video, then thank you very much for watching, and we'll speak soon. If you haven't already done so, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to get some indication of when I've gone live or when we release a video. So, see you in the next one. Goodbye. This is Croaky, Adam Croaky, signing off. I hope it doesn't last the whole day though, because that would be terrible. Doing a training course, giving a training course, and then more croaky.
It's me. I'm still here. I'm at the airport right now, and I just wanted to say one other thing I was going to add, and I completely forgot, was that at the place we were last night, they had beer cocktails. So basically, a beer with various shots in there. For instance, one of them was called Lady Beer, and it's very pink. One of the girls actually bought one. It's very pink, it had ice on top, crushed ice, and it had like 3 different shots in there, including a white rum. Very weird, kind of, if we did that, we'll call them dive bombers or something, you know, we'll like a shot of something and then just drop it in the top. All the beer and whatever flows around over the top of the jug. But yeah, but that's kind of sacrilege, isn't it? To take a really good beer and drop some sweet rum or whatever, not other stuff in there as well. I don't know, she enjoyed it though. But that's all I wanted to add. I'm gonna end the video now. So goodbye, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and like the video if you did. Bye bye now.
Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.